It's just quite unfortunate because Kotoko eda form inti obi bese aboa kese eda form obi abeboye bi results nemma because of say results no comment amanfo fa coach Prosper Ogum ho no mani enyan countryman Songo yenim say na oye past administrative and I say no the management of KUMASI ASANTE KOTOKO during Nana Yamponsa time no na commenter tembia Kotoko lusu a obeye fa Ogum ho no I don't know so one Ogum or personal problem but eto be aya na aboro so enti yebusa en ho say countryman Songo no ono countryman Songo as a sports journalist time obeye Kotoko communication team member no e dey pan no ye boa club na eto be na no ya nsem a waka fa Ogum ho no ani enyan enuna Kotoko lusu against Nations FC no call Facebook no ko churo sa we go or say Kotoko fraud coach cheap talks fire him so na comment e buy no emu 50% catches countryman Songo say massa obeye PRO of the club ye hu de oyeye intime asumunwe cut the bluff and cut the slack ena na amanfo fire no ne ono ankasa ne poster okoye eto Facebook was say yem fire coach Ogum na coach Ogum fraud coach. How can you say this? Then after Anna osa posted with 20 minutes later say Kotoko fans are not happy with the current state of the club as pressure mounts on IMC after 4 defeats in a row. You know him say defeats they are about what was so very bad, but it is not the right time to be calling the head of the head coach. To me, I disagree. Countryman Songo omienyason sometimes. Frederick Asari training. Black Stars we omo final training so ahead of China Tuesday omone Uganda and ebebo Morocco into training no so then this will be the final training section omo here to face Uganda. We wish the Black Stars the very best omo second friendly game China omo born Tuesday no. First one in Nigeria show 2-1. This one Uganda we expect say yebeshe.